The concrete stamp is a modern design pattern to achieve realistic-looking textures used to create unique bricks and stone wall surfaces. Mixing is very important to make sure that the materials are bound together, creating strength and stability to the cement materials. After thorough mixing, our cement is now ready. Spraying a small amount of water is very important to add strength to the solution. Then, start to put the cement mixture properly to the wall, and to establish a better look, a cement plaster is used to make sure that the cement surface is equally distributed and balanced. In this process, it requires proper training, skills development, experience, and patience of the workers to make the job done. This can also be done by anybody that has knowledge and experience of cement plastering. After setting up, it is now ready for stamping of our simple and unique vintage brickwork design. This stamp is made of durable and flexible polyurethane original solution, which enhances the appearance of imitating brickworks. This stamp comes in different colors, styles, and designs. This design is ideal for the living room, bedroom, kitchen, and any other parts of the house. This is very effective for any home design, which improves the physical appearance and comes with an affordable price that is lower than other methods and products. Paving tools are used to achieve the perfect design and style in shaping and cutting paving stones. This tool has a different type of shaping mechanisms designed to help the craftsman. This anvil type of paving tool is made of metal used for shaping smaller stones, and its sharpness produces a clean cut to the stone. Paved stone materials are crafted manually by the skilled craftsman. Other tools are designed to break bigger stones with the use of a hammer. They are sliced to form the desired design and shape that the craftsmen want. A hammer paving tools are used to slice smaller stones. For a better cut, the stone must be marked. The stone knows shapes using a hammer to form the last pavement. It takes training, skills development, and hard work for the craftsman to establish the right shape of the stone. The paved design is almost complete. The stone that has been shaped using the paving tools are now arranged based on the design and style. Quality output and a standard is what paving tools are all about. Plastic and laminated flooring is a popular choice for homeowners who desire a traditional hardwood look. It can replicate different natural surfaces such as wood grain and plastic waterproof design. The installation process is very easy and can be done without any professional help. Align properly the desired flooring design and make sure that the whole floor is measured before laying the plank. The base of the plank must start from the center row of the room to easily distinguish the area of arrangement. To tighten the gap of every plank, use a hammer to hold the grip of each plank from the main floor. Make sure that the arrangement and distribution of the plank are measured to avoid any mistakes. This process takes time to complete. Repeat the process until the whole area is covered. To tighten the hold of the plank, the glue must be used. On the edge of the row facing the wall, measure properly the remaining length of the floor space. Use a cutter to cut the plank. Measure again the length of the remaining space until everything is covered completely by the plank. Continue the process to the next row of the floor. And there you have it! Our wood flooring is complete. Retaining walls are structures designed to resist the pressure from the soil where there are changes in ground elevation. BOSH BETON is one of the leading markets in the field of delivery and installing retaining walls in the Netherlands. This is a freestanding structure without lateral support at its top. This design resists the lateral pressures generated by water coming from loose soils. The advanced retaining wall is used to mitigate disaster and other related calamities. The most important consideration of retaining walls is to recognize the possible movement of soil due to gravity. This is an advanced technology to address potential calamities.